Hey, it's Marissa here with Kids Art Now. Today we're going to be drawing a little elephant. The first step we're going to do is make a line and then go down for his trunk. It's going to be curved just like this. Let's close off the trunk by making a curve almost exact except a little bit wide at the bottom. Start in the middle of the trunk and make the top of his head go up. And we're going to start to form an ear, a little flappy ear that goes around and up in the middle. Now start at the bottom of that ear, go down, and make it curve in just like this for a leg. That little leg is going to go around and in. Now in the middle, just want to put a little oval. There's his foot. Now let's continue making the rest of his legs. Here's one. And make a little line for his little toes. Let's make another one by going down and bring it in. We're going to put a little toe right there. And then kind of start in the middle and make a curve around so it looks like he's sitting. And we're going to make that little circle. Now let's finish his little ear. Go up and in, and go past the trunk and go down, and make it curve just like this. And curve, bring it in the middle. Looks great. Now I think I just want to put an eye right here and then put a little circle and color in the rest black except for that little circle. Super cute. I want to make his little mouth just smile. I like it. And put a little dimple. Now I'm looking at this and I think I want to put a little eye right here. I thought the eye looked good and we were going to pretend it like it's on the other side, but I want to make another eye. Let's put one right there. And color in the rest except for that little circle. I love it. Super cute. Now let's put a little heart. Just make a curve. Another curve. Looks great. Stay for the coloring. Subscribe for new drawings. And I will see you next time. Bye.